would love to get closer. The one that is farther away from us was chasing the one that was closer to us. But the way that it was chasing it, it was in a way that it was trying to mount it. But the first one was like, let me eat. So now they're just eating. I'm eager to see what is going to take place. I guess the cameraman has one job, right? I would love to get so much closer. But of course, wild birds, me being human, how close could I get? So it would be wise if I would keep. I guess we just getting eaten out of them. Their mind shifted. At least the one that was in the back, I would say his mind had shifted. It's all about nutrition.